Hi everyone, so today we're gonna draw Olaf from the animation Frozen. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you. So I'm gonna start with drawing the eyes. So Olaf's eye is pretty much circle. So I'm gonna draw a circle like so. And then another circle inside for the pupils. Like that. And we're gonna add another small circle for the shine reflection and fill the black part. Above the eye, we're gonna make the top half of the eye with thicker line, so we're gonna add another following that circle just like that. After that, I'm gonna draw the nose. So the nose, even though it's just a carrot, but there's a little bit of a shape of the nose. So I'm gonna draw like a curve to the right, like that. And then for the bottom part, repeat the same shape. And we're gonna go straight to the end from that point. And for the top part, I'm gonna do a smaller curved line upwards like that. And there you go, we have the nose. So I'm gonna draw some details at the nose. I'm gonna draw some small lines like that, and that, and there, and there. For the right eye, I'm gonna draw another circle. It's close to an oval shape in between like a round and oval. So I'm gonna draw the inside of the eye. This time the black part, the pupils, we're gonna make it closer to the middle. And then we're gonna draw another small circle inside that pupil. I'm gonna color that space. And then we're gonna make the upper part of the right eye thick as well. Like that. And the next part I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the eyebrow. So the eyebrow, I'm gonna start with the middle part and turn to the left in a horizontal manner like that and curve downwards. For the upper parts, we're gonna draw a similar line like that and stop there. Then we're gonna draw a small line downwards to connect those two lines. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the right eyebrow. It is similar to the left eyebrow, so but we're gonna start a bit above than the left eyebrow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start at this point, slightly above, and then repeat it in the same way but opposite direction. And then I'm gonna draw the lower line for the right eyebrow from there downwards like that, and connect that with a small line. And there, So we have both of the lashes. So I'm gonna draw the right side of Olaf's face. So from the sharp point here of the eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And then I'm gonna go outwards and then make a turn and then make a sharp turn downwards like that. And then I'm gonna continue with his mouth. So I'm gonna take a point here right below the carrot. So I'm gonna draw a small short line downwards like that. Then I'm gonna do a big curve from that last point that we have to just below the eye. Well, not just below the eye, some distance for like this part here. So I'm gonna draw that from that point where we stop. I'm gonna draw it across like that. And then I'm gonna draw his teeth. I'm gonna start with here, downwards, to the side, and upwards. I'm gonna go back to the top of the head, just right above the right eyebrow. I'm gonna draw a line similar to the upper line above upper line of the eyebrow, like that, and stop there. And then for the forehead, I'm gonna start right between that line that I just draw and make a semicircle to form the top part of his head. So what I'm gonna do is make a semicircle like that, and then I'm going to continue that line straight downwards like that. And then I'm gonna make a slight curve outwards like that, and then inwards, and we stop there. And then I'm gonna draw the line connecting Olaf's head with his body. So with that, I'm going to also draw the side of his mouth below the teeth here. I'm gonna draw downwards in a curve way. I'm gonna draw it downward from the teeth in a circular way like that, and connect that line with the line that we have earlier like that. And then I'm gonna do the mouth shape. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a point inside of the mouth here and go downwards and curve upwards towards the teeth like that. Downwards and then curve back upwards toward the teeth like that. And then I'm gonna draw a detail at the face. I'm gonna draw a line just below, just where the cheek is, like that, and then turn upwards again. That. For the hairs, I'm gonna do a line upwards from this point, upwards, then turn to the right, and then turn again, and then turn again, and then I'm gonna make the line upwards, a small line, and do a stick shape, and another downwards. Then I'm gonna do a small tweak there, mm, and going downwards. For the other stick, similar. I'm gonna just follow the line upwards, and then we're gonna go upwards, slightly off angle, and then we're gonna go upwards, small line, downwards, following that same shape, a small twig branch, and then we're gonna follow that line, the side, and then I'm gonna do a branch out. We'll do a line that way, and then that way, and going downwards, and we're going to follow the shape back again, and we're done with the hair. So I'm gonna just draw a line in between the eyebrow just to give a detail like that, and then I'm gonna start drawing the body. So what I'm gonna do is, from the point of the chin, I'm gonna go pick a point here just behind his head and go a line, draw a line downwards like that. Then the same as the other side, and then I'm gonna do the arms. The arms are similar to the hair. We're gonna draw a line like that, and then off angle a bit again. Then I'm gonna draw the thumb, the fingers, some more fingers. I'm gonna make a series of short lines like that, and follow back that same shape that we've drawn before, like that. So the same goes to the left arms. In the opposite direction, a series of line, and the thumb, and some fingers, some more short lines. And then we're gonna finish the arms. And then I'm gonna draw a line going downwards again, continuing that top part of the body. And same goes to the other side with a slightly curved manner. And then this one also curve. And for the bottom part, we're gonna do a curved horizontal line to connect those two lines at the side, like that. And then for the bottom half of his body, I'm gonna do a half circle like that. There. Yep, a half circle for the lower body. For the legs, I'm gonna draw something similar to the half circle, but we're going to do quite an angle for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a short curve line, and then we're gonna turn towards downwards like that, and then I'm gonna turn back up to the body like that. The same goes to the right leg, but we're gonna start at this point. I'm going to draw a line downwards, a curved line, and then going back to the side, and then turn back up, and that's it. So for his buttons, we can make the shape We can draw the lines a bit um, random. We don't have to make it perfectly round. So I'm gonna just draw a random shape as long as you connect them, and it looks more like a stone when you draw it very randomly, and you don't have to make it perfect circle, all of them. So that's it. I think we're done with the Olaf. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.